Spring rolls. A main dish from Hong Kong. Serves 8. You will need 24 ingredients. Step 1. Cut pork and chicken into strips. Mix with the seasoning. Step 2. Cut Chinese roast pork and mushroom into strips. Cut bamboo shoots into slices and blanch in boiling water. Cut chives into 5 cm lengths. Step 3. To make the filling, pre-fry seasoned chicken and pork in oil. Step 4. Put wok over high flame and add 1 tablespoon oil. Step 5. Add chives and stir fry for a few seconds. Step 6. Add salt to taste, remove and set aside. Add 1 tablespoon oil and stir fry the mushrooms, bamboo shoot, and shredded meat. Step 7. Add Chinese roast pork strips, and stir fry for a few seconds over high heat. Add the glaze and stir well. Remove and leave to cool. Step 8. Mix together all the filling ingredients, adding the cooked shrimp and chives. To make the wrapping, place a piece of the spring roll pastry on the table at one corner. Step 9. Put 2 tablespoons of the filling in the center of the pastry. Step 10. Fold the nearest corner of the wrapper up, covering the filling. Fold the 2 sides. Finish by rolling away from you. Glue the last corner with the beaten egg. Step 11. To deep fry the spring rolls, put wok over high flame, add oil, when oil is heated to approximately 180 degrees Celsius. Step 12. Use long wooden chopsticks, hold on to the spring rolls, one piece at a time in the oil for a few seconds, pinching the fold to prevent from opening, before letting go. Step 13. Fry until golden brown, drain off excess oil in a colander. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.